First cast. First cast. It's a monster. Hold on, let's get a comparison. This Senko is 5 inches. That is like that's like an 8-inch fish. I saw him come out and eat it right where I told you to cast. Alright, here we go. Zach 1, Caitlin none. Get him. Get out of there. I don't know how big he is, because I can't. Came up right up out of the water to get it though. Oh. Wrong species. The fish that we all love. Dude, calm down. I'm helping you out here. It's like screaming at me. Dude, stop. There. Jeez. Oh, it's a little pickerel. Look at him. Watch. See that? It's just a little pickerel, but I think it's still fun to watch him come up and eat it. He's turning on it. Oh, he's acting like he's guarding a bed. Caitlin, will you do me a favor?
What?
You got one? Bass or pickerel? Oh, look at that. Now that you've got him all flopped on the road, but good job.
Thanks. Oh,
Caitlin.
I was trying to get him untangled.
Muckle onto the thing.
I did, but
Muckle
he's
onto
tangled.
him.
I can't get him off when he's tangled.
Yeah, you can. You have plenty of line there.
How big would you say he is?
10 or 11 inches. Push. Push. Push.
Damn.
Need help?
Oh, wait.
Can't have him out of the water forever.
I know.
That's how people kill fish. Yeah.
I got him.
Let him go. You want a picture?
Yeah.
Oh, there he is. There he is. He's coming in on it. Get him. Drop shot fish.
Take a picture?
Nah, I don't need a picture. Ah, drop shot. Little hook. Nice. There might be, I mean, there could be 5 or 6 sitting right on that thing there.
I'm not very good at catching them.
This one. Where he should have been. Again, nothing huge, but it's better than working. That's where I've been casting the whole time. That's where I caught the fish. I have seen him jumping in that corner, so. Another one. Just stacked up right there.
That one should have been mine.
No, Keelan, I've been fishing here first. Jeez. Sisters. Little guy. Oops. Oh. Oh. No. Save the fish. There he goes. No, I just let him go, Keelan. That's a good one, I think. A little bit better. He has it choked. There you go. Nice fish. He's bleeding a little bit. He'll be fine. I don't normally like to, you know, throw them down there like that, but that's really the only way. I don't really want to get down in there and end up tripping and falling, but it doesn't hurt a fish to throw them that. I mean, that's not that far. So what's happening here is, you guys can see that cul-de-sac right there. The dam's on the other side of the road. Just casting right out there like that, and letting it sit. And Kayla, look, there's a turtle. Painted turtle. Anyways, I'm just letting it sit, and I think the fish are just sitting right there because it's pulling everything, bait fish and everything like that, into that area. So I've caught 3 fish right off this one spot. So